Yo, what is up YouTube? It's your boy Breezy Kicks, the Sneaker Fiend. Now today, I'm gonna be showing you guys the Nike Dunk Low in the green glow colorway. Make sure if you are new to the channel, you subscribe. Hit that like button if you like the video. Make sure you follow me on Instagram at Breezy_Kicks23. With that being said, it's your boy Breezy Kicks. Let's get it.
My kidney, yeah. Look, gimme, yeah. On my throne, I am the king of Salt Lake City, yeah.
Now this shoe, I was kind of hesitant before buying the sneaker because it's really loud. I'm kind of weird with my style because I either go super basic colorway, or if I go loud, I go really loud. And so this is one of those shoes where, you know, when you go loud, you take a bit of a risk. So we're gonna start off with the box. Super boring Nike box. The official name they got on here is the Volt Black Total Orange. Now, I got this shoe on Trophy Room. They just didn't have my size. So I did go down half a size. So I'm a little worried about that. I usually wear a size 10, where these are a 9.5. Dunks, usually for me, I like going true to size. Sometimes if they're an SB, I might even go up half a size. So I'm a little worried on that. If they're not comfortable, it's gonna be a no-go for me. It doesn't show the retail on here, but I'm pretty sure I spent $110, maybe like $125 after shipping, tax, I'm not too sure. Somewhere around there. We got the Nike Dunk Low in that Volt green colorway. These things are very loud. Now, right off the bat, I just wanna show you guys one thing. The tone of green on your outer layers of the upper is different than this inner layer. This inner layer almost has like a iridescent type of shine to it. So as you turn, you can kind of see a bit of a shine. It's really not that noticeable though, so it shouldn't be too bad. And honestly, when they're on feet, that little shimmer of light that you get is probably just gonna make the shoe pop more and cause people to turn their head. This is a very loud shoe, nonetheless. Full green upper. You got your black Nike swooshes on both sides. The orange Nike tab in the back. I really like that the tongue was white laces. I think that's a very clean, simple look. It matches the outsole perfect. I do think they executed this shoe as best as possible because it's hard to go with an all green Volt shoe. With it being that loud, you got to keep the rest of the shoe very simple. You got to do white with a little bit of black, and I think they honestly did this perfect. Now, another reason I bought this shoe because I'm kind of like a little kid. These things on the bottom glow in the dark. Like, tell me that's not super cool. Sometimes the glow in the dark bottoms, they really suck. They did really well on this. So the lining is a darker green, just slightly darker. And I think that just makes the whole upper pop a little more. Just having that slightly darker lining. Styling the shoe is gonna be very easy. I'm gonna wear black or white. Very simple. I don't think I'd wear like blue jeans with these, to be honest with you. Maybe some like black jeans or black pants I would rock with these with a white shirt. I think that would look very clean. Maybe throw a little bit of green somewhere on the logo of the shirt. That might look good, but I keep it very simple. Just white and black is what I'm gonna wear with these. But with that being said, let's look at these bad boys on feet.
Hey, somebody tell me where the ganja at. Just playing. Can't smoke but the pocket full of green cause the wild effect. Just saying. Everything on this side clean like a laundromat. Had a few hills but I conquered that. Money on the line then I'm called it back. I don't need half, need all of that. That baller pack. Catching flights with no destination. First class, I need an isolation. Talk is cheap and I got mouths to feed. Instead of counting sheep, I need a compensation. Shooting shot with no hesitation. Tunnel vision, no deviation. 50-50 ain't enough for me. I need a recipe and a reparation. Skip the pork or don't fuck with pigs. Match your vibes for the hate you give. Had a cash app, but just to get her hair done, we'll be met for big fun. I snatched the lace from. The game is rowdy, but the mood is mellow. I don't mean to brag, but I'm a handsome fellow. I don't want the ass if it don't shake like Jello. A nigga on fire like a kettle. I don't be stressing or finessing.
There you guys have it. The Nike Dunk Low in the Volt green colorway, green glow, whatever you want to call it. This shoe, to me, I'm gonna rate this like a 7 out of 10. To be honest, it should probably be more like a 5, but I think it just pops so much, I gotta give it a 7. So 7 out of 10 for me. Resell, don't worry about resell. But it's a cool one to have in the collection. Something to pull out maybe in the summertime. But with that being said, make sure if you are new to the channel, you subscribe. Hit that like button if you like the content. Follow me on Instagram at Breezy_Kicks23. That being said, it's your boy Breezy Kicks. We out.
don't trust no one but in God that we trust, nigga. If we getting raided, everything is getting flushed. I done had 12 through that shit more than once, nigga. If I gotta go and make a move, best believe it's getting done. Best believe it's getting done. Best believe it's getting done. I don't trust no one but in God that we trust, nigga. If we getting raided, everything is getting flushed. I done had 12 through that shit more than